it's Rachel. So I've been seeing a lot of fidget spinner videos everywhere, so I decided to do my own little spin-off of one. I'm sorry. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make a DIY magnetic slime fidget spinner. And it actually spins. Oh god, it got caught in my hair. So give this video a thumbs up if you or your friends have a fidget spinner. Give this video a thumbs up right now. I want to see how many people have fidget spinners. Comment down below if you want to see me do any more fidget spinner videos, and if so, what fidget spinner video do you want to see me do? And subscribe down below if you want to see more videos like this. No, seriously, go subscribe. I'm going to do another video like this like next Tuesday. Okay, so let's get on with the video. To start, you're going to want to take some wax paper, and then take any fidget spinner. You can borrow your friends, you can find one somewhere, you can print a picture of a fidget spinner off the internet. So just trace that on the wax paper with a marker. And you're gonna need 4 of these little skate bearings. You can get these at any store that would sell like skateboards and stuff, and just place them exactly where they're gonna be. And then take a hot glue gun, and you're gonna want to trace the outline of the fidget spinner drawing you made. And fill that in. And then since you need something for your slime to actually sit in, so it doesn't just kind of fall out naturally, you're going to want to have an actual bearing around it. So like, imagine a fence. You're making a fence for that. So then just take this actual bearing and mark how wide it is, and then take something to trace it all the way down and make it pretty long just because it has to fit around the entire outside of it. Then just put the hot glue gun over that outline and wait till it dries, and then just get a little. Then just hot glue that to the outside of the fidget spinner.
And use the hot part of the hot glue gun to melt the 2 ends together.
And then to make sure that there's no like rough edges or little strings attached to this, just take the heated part of the hot glue gun and it'll melt any of the little ruckus going on around this.
And then just peel it right off the wax paper, and voila!
Now we're gonna make our slime. So all you need is glue, and just pour however much you want of that in there, depending on how much slime you want to make. Shaving cream. And contact solution. Just kind of spray a few sprays in there. You'll probably have to add some more later. And then mix that up. I should have gotten like a strawberry scented shaving cream. I don't like this one. And then just kind of keep fluffing it and poking it and stirring it and mixing it up until it's pretty much fluffy slime. And the reason I'm making fluffy slime instead of regular slime is because once you actually mix the magnetic particles into it, it just turns gross. And this one turns fun. You know what this reminds me of? Have any of you ever bought like that farting putty when you were younger that you kind of put into a container and like... Well, I was an immature younger person, so I bought it. This is the texture of fluffy slime. So once you have that, take a tiny little amount off of it. You really only need like this much for the entire fidget spinner. The rest you can put aside and just be happy with life about. And then take iron filings. I got this on Amazon, but you could probably get this from like a hardware store somewhere. Pour a little bit of the iron filings in it, and then mix it like the way they do in all those slime mixing videos on Instagram. We've had our fun, let's get back to business. And then you just gotta add it to the actual fidget spinner. Now take a little bit at a time of your magnetic slime. That rhymed. And you're gonna wanna kind of stretch it out like this and wrap it around the edge of your fidget spinner.
And now you can add any decorations that you want to add over it.
Okay, and there you have it. It spins. And you can pick up the actual slime, the magnet, and kind of make it rotate on its own using the magnet. So bam. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you didn't see my previous 2 videos, click those down below and subscribe. If you're not subscribed already.